Hello and welcome. For King Canada Tools, I'm Gord Graff. Capturing sawdust and wood chips at their source is the first step to producing a safe, dust-free work environment, and King Canada Tools is committed to assisting you in doing that. Presented here are 4 dust collectors from an extensive lineup that feature either a 1 micron felt upper bag or the KC-3500 1 micron canister filter. All of these dust collectors feature heavy-duty, totally enclosed, fan-cooled motors with precision-balanced impellers for smooth, quiet, and efficient airflow performance, robust swivel casters for maneuverability, and sturdy steel frames and blower housings. The KC-2405C is an excellent portable performer and features a powerful 1 horsepower 7-amp 120-volt motor with aluminum impeller that creates 700 CFMs, a single 4-inch diameter inlet port, a washable 1 micron upper felt bag for optimal airflow efficiency, and 3 reusable clear plastic lower dust bags, a paddle switch with removable safety key. The King Industrial KC-3105C and the KC-3105C/KDCF-3500 are identical dust collectors, the only difference being the addition of the KDCF-3500 designation, which denotes that this and other dust collectors with this designation come equipped with the KDCF-3500 1 micron canister filter or filters. The King Industrial KDCF-3500 1 micron canister filter has a pleated filter inside a rigid canister that provides a much larger filtering surface area, resulting in increased airflow and filter efficiency. These canister filters are designed to fit King Canada dust collectors and other similar dust collectors. The KC-3105 features a heavy-duty 1.5 horsepower motor that can operate on either 110 or 220 volts, 1200 CFMs that effectively handle the collection of wood chips and sawdust, a single 6-inch or 2 4-inch diameter dust ports for attaching up to 2 lines. The KC-3109C is identical to the previous model, the KC-3105C, with one exception. The KC-3109C comes equipped with a 2 horsepower motor that is wired to operate on 220 volts only. A multi-machine dust collector, the King Industrial KC-4045C features a heavy-duty 3 horsepower 10-amp 220 volt single-phase motor that produces 2280 CFMs, a 14-inch precision-balanced impeller, and a single 8-inch or 3 4-inch dust port openings that facilitate multiple machine hookups. To remotely turn on or off any of these and other dust collectors, look to either the RC110 or the RC220 remote power control system. Point, click, and the dust collector is either turned on or off. Updating a current dust collection system or looking for new? King Canada has an extensive lineup of dust collectors and dust collector accessories. To find out more about these and other King Canada products, visit a King Canada dealer today or the King Canada website at kingcanada.com.